Today I am reviewing the Lenovo IdeaCentre Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming PC for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're in the market for a powerful and affordable gaming desktop that blends performance, aesthetics, and practicality, let me introduce you to the Lenovo IdeaCentre Gaming 5i 2022 edition. This mid-tier gaming PC offers a fantastic entry point into modern gaming without draining your bank account. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the Intel Core i5-12400. With 6 performance cores and 12 threads, it's built on Intel's 12th generation hybrid architecture. This CPU is clocked at a base speed of 2.5 GHz, but thanks to Intel's Turbo Boost technology, it can ramp up significantly when needed. The result? It handles today's most popular games, from competitive shooters like Valorant and Apex Legends, to heavier titles like Elden Ring and Cyberpunk 2077, with minimal hiccups. And it's not just for gamers. If you're editing videos, creating content, or even multitasking with dozens of Chrome tabs open, the 12400 keeps everything running smooth. Paired with the processor is a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card with 12 GB of GDDR6 VRAM. This is where things get serious for gamers. Built on NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, the RTX 3060 delivers real-time ray tracing, DLSS support, and AI-accelerated rendering. Translation: you get beautiful visuals with high frame rates, even at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Whether you're diving into Warzone, Fortnite, or enjoying immersive single-player adventures, the RTX 3060 keeps the action smooth and stunning. Backing it up is 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, more than enough for modern gaming and everyday multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming, and chatting on Discord all at once, this system can juggle it all. And because it's a standard desktop, you can upgrade to 32 GB or beyond down the line. Storage is another strong point here. You get a 512 GB NVMe SSD for fast boot times and snappy app launches, plus a 1 TB hard drive for storing your game library, media, and more. It's the best of both worlds, speed and space, right out of the box. On the design front, Lenovo nailed the balance between form and function. The chassis features a clean, black exterior with teal accented lines on the front that aren't just stylish, they also help with airflow. Speaking of cooling, Lenovo claims this system runs up to 5 degrees cooler than previous generations. That's thanks to an upgraded 65W CPU cooler and improved internal airflow. It's quiet, it's cool, and it's efficient. And while it doesn't have flashy RGB lights everywhere, it still looks sleek enough to belong on any gaming desk or home office setup. It blends into your environment without screaming gamer, unless you want to. Connectivity is generous too. You've got multiple USB ports for your peripherals, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs for multi-monitor setups, and both Wi-Fi and Ethernet options for fast, reliable networking. It even comes bundled with a keyboard and mouse, and while they're basic, it's a nice bonus that helps you get started right away. Another cool bonus? This system includes 3 months of Xbox Game Pass for PC, so you can dive right into hundreds of games from the moment you power it on. On the software side, it runs Windows 11 Home, which is modern, fast, and gaming-friendly. With features like Auto HDR, direct storage, and built-in Xbox integration, Windows 11 complements this system's hardware really well. Now, of course, this PC isn't meant for 4K Ultra settings in every game, and it's not trying to be the ultimate high-end rig. But for the price, it offers exceptional value. You're getting modern components, real gaming performance, and future-ready hardware, all in a well-designed, easy-to-upgrade package. So who is this for? If you're a casual to mid-level gamer, a student, a content creator, or just someone who wants a fast and reliable PC for a mix of gaming and productivity, the Lenovo IdeaCentre Gaming 5i is an outstanding choice. It's especially great if you want a pre-built that's ready to go out of the box with minimal hassle. In summary, great CPU, solid GPU, fast storage, plenty of RAM, and a sleek case with good thermals. Lenovo has put together a well-balanced machine that punches above its weight and looks good doing it. Highly recommended for gamers on a budget or anyone who wants strong performance in a clean, modern desktop.